Okay, so hello everyone. Today we will discuss about parametric equations of a line. Okay, so let's start with a theorem. This is just a continuation of our discussion about parametric equations. As you remember, we discussed about parametric equation and how to graph parametric equation, how to find the first and the second derivative of parametric equations. Okay. So we have here a theorem. So the set of parameter equations x equals x sub o plus at and y equals y sub o plus bt, so long as a and b are not both 0, has its graph a straight line in the xy plane. This line passes through the point x sub o, y sub o, and if a is not equal to 0, then the line has a slope of b over a. If a is equal to 0, then the line is vertical. Okay, so uh, what does it mean is that uh, we have this line. Sorry, we have these parameter equations of a line, and if we eliminate the parameter, no, we can form the straight line, no, the straight line in the xy plane and passes through the point x sub o, y sub o with a slope of b over a. So if we use this information, no, these two, these two, this one, uh, we can create actually a equation of the line, no? So we have this y minus y sub 0 equals the slope in that's point slope form x minus x sub 0. So this is the point slope form of a line. So if we transpose uh, y equals m times x minus x sub 0 plus y sub 0. So this will be your equation of the line. Okay. And as you know, yung m natin is b over a. Okay, so y equals b over a times x minus x sub 0 plus y sub 0. So that means wala na tayong wala na tayong t na uh, parameter. X and Y na lang. Okay? Okay. So another after a theorem we have here a remark, no? This is about how to make a standard equation, no, of a parametric equation of a line, no? So standard form equation of a line in parametric form. So kanina meron lang tayong x equals x sub 0 plus 80 and y equals y sub 0 plus bt. So nakita nyo, ang pagkakaiba lang ng equation 1, ito yung equation 1 natin, at saka itong equation 2 is meron silang nakamultiply na k. Okay? So, ano yung k? So, denoting the inclination of a line L by alpha, we may select k so that the parametric equation of L have the form cosine of alpha t and sine of alpha t. So, kung ang alpha is yung yung inclination, no, yung hindi slope but tangent of alpha is the slope, no? So, yung alpha niya, we know that the tangent of the angle, that is the inclination of the line, that is actually the slope, no? So, if yung alpha nito, yung kukunin natin, at tsaka isa-substitute natin dito sa cosine of alpha t and sine of alpha t as one of the k's, no? Yun yung, ito yung sinelect natin na k. Then, ito yung form. So meron tayong equation 3. So once A and B are given, okay? So dito pag given yung A and B, then pwede natin ganituhin pag solve yung K, no? So instead na cosine alpha, sin alpha kasi kailangan mo pang kunin yung slope ng line, no? Pero minsan hindi natin alam yung slope ng line kasi yung alam natin yung slope ng line is b over a according sa previous theorem, no? Pero kung hindi naman given yung ah actually ma-solve mo naman to, no? Cosine given yung b over a kaso nga lang kaso nga lang kailangan mo pa ng calculator, no? Para ma-solve yung b over a kasi minsan minsan magiging decimal point lang siya, no? Kagaya nito, 'di ba? Kung iso-solve natin ang alpha nito, ang gagawin mo lang nito is magta-tan inverse ka, 'di ba? Tan inverse. Okay, dito rin tan inverse. And minsan pag magta-tan inverse ka both sides, so meron ka ng alpha equals tan inverse of m. Okay? So ibig sabihin yan is pwede ka magkaroon ng decimal point dito, hindi ka magkakaroon ng fraction. Ito naman yung b over a. So mahihirapan tayong mag-identify kung ano ang value ng b at saka ng a. Okay? So yan yung disadvantage nito, no? So kung hindi mo alam yung value ng a at b. So kung alam mo naman yung value ng a at b, then you can choose this simple form of k. Okay, so let's find the parametric equations in standard form of a line L through the point 2, -1, and 4, 7. Okay, so for the solution, dapat tong black yung gamitin natin. Okay, solution. So, una, hahanap muna tayo ng x sub o at tsaka yung y sub o, no? Tsaka after that, hanapin natin yung b at tsaka yung a. Okay? So, uh, actually, you can choose, no? You can choose either of the given, no? Uh, Sorry. So you can choose 2, -1 as your x sub o and y sub o, and you can also choose 4, 7, no? If you want. So in this case, I will choose 2 and -1. So I will make it clear here. Then I will solve for the slope. Okay, so the slope m, that is uh, y sub 1 minus y sub 0 over x sub 1 minus x sub 0, x sub 0. Okay? Wala nang ink yung pen ko. Okay, x sub 0. Okay? So, meron tayong, ito yung x0, y0, x1, at saka y1. Okay, so meron tayong 7 minus -1, -1 over 4 minus 2. So meron tayong 7 plus 1 over 2, that is 4. Okay? So, or 4, or pwede rin natin, actually pwede hindi nyo na i-simplify actually. Ang gawin natin is gawin natin 8 over 2. So, ito na yung b over a. So, that means yung a natin is 2, tsaka yung b natin is 8. Or pwede rin gamitin mo 4/1, no? Yung simplified. So, actually, if you use if you solve some equations, actually yung lalabas talaga is 2 at saka 8. So I will do the shortcut method na lang, no? So ito 'yon, 2/8. So alam na natin yung value ng A at B. So using this equation, meron na tayong equation ng line, no? Equation of the line in parametric form. So ano yun? We have x equals x sub o plus at. So that is x equals yung x sub o natin is 2 plus ang a natin is 2 tapos yung t natin is t kasi ito yung variable. Then meron din tayong uh, y equals y sub 0 plus bt. So y sub 0 y sub 0 natin is -1 plus yung b is 8 times t. Okay? So ito yung equation of the line in parametric form. Now, how about yung standard equation ng line? Okay, so first is para ma-solve yung standard equation ng line, i-solve muna natin yung k, no? So, kita natin yung b natin is positive. So, ang gagawin natin is gagamitin natin yung formula ng k na +1 over the square root of b square plus, it's a square plus b square. Actually, pwede naman magka-swap. No? So, a square plus b square. So, that is 1 over square ng 2 square plus 8 square. Okay? Pero kung ginamit ko yung a at b na ang a is 1 tsaka yung b is 4, mas madali yung computation ng k natin. Okay? So ito, mahirap kasi malaki yung a at tsaka yung b natin. Lalong-lalo na itong b. Yung a, maliit lang man. Okay, so we have the square root of 4 plus 64, and that is 1 over square root of 68. Okay? So, alam naman natin na yung 68, dito muna ako sa sketch part ko. Okay, so yung 68 is 34 times 2. Tapos yung 34 is 17 times 2. So, meron siyang nito, 1 over ano yun? Square root ng ito, 2 times 2. So, that is 2 square times 17. Kasi may 17 dito. Okay? So, ang mangyayari, magiging 1 over 2 square root of 17. So, yan yung i-multiply natin sa ating equation of a line. So, yung standard form no yun? So, ito yung standard form. X equals 2 plus cancel yung 2. So, meron tayong 1 over square root of 17 times t, and y equals -1 plus cancel yung 2. So, magiging 4 na siya over square root of 17t. Actually, kung gagamitin mo na A is 1 at saka yung B is 4, same lang sila ng resulta dito sa standard form, no? Kasi magka-cancel out lang man yung 2 at saka yung 2 na nasa denominator. What I mean is ito, no? Next is find a set of parametric equations in standard form of the line that passes through the point 4, -2, and is parallel to the line with equation 2x plus 5y equals 1. So kanina, meron tayong given no na dalawang points. So ah, again, dito meron tayong isang point which is itong 4, -2 at saka dapat yung line no is parallel dito no, parallel sa 2x plus 5y equals 4. So kung nag-involve ng parallel at saka perpendicular no na line, so ang gagawin lang natin is alam naman natin pag parallel yung slope, sulat ko muna dito. Pag parallel, yung slope ng dalawa ay equal, but but pag perpendicular, meron ang slope ng isa ay negative reciprocal ng isa. Okay? So that means mag-i-equal sila pag i-negative reciprocal mo yung slope ng isa. Since we are doing parallel lines, so dapat ang slope natin is same lang dito sa given na equation which is 2x plus 5y equals 1. Okay? So let's start our solution. No? So solution. So first, we let xo, yo be 4, -2. Okay? So, next is isa-solve natin yung slope gamit ang existing na ah, equation ng line, which is ito. Kasi same lang naman sila ng slope kasi parallel. Okay? So, ita-transform natin to into y equals mx plus b. So, alam naman natin yung katabi ng x, yung m, ito yung slope. Okay? So, let's start. So, isosolve muna natin ang y in terms of x, no? So, meron tayong 2x plus 5y equals 1. Then, transpose. So, meron tayong 5y equals negative 2x. So, maging negative na siya. Plus 1. Then, mag-divide ka both sides ng 5. So, meron tayong y equals negative 2 over 5x plus 1 over 5. So that means ang katabi ng x na ito, which is the m, ito yung slope. So in this case, yung katabi ng x is negative 2 over 5. So ito yung slope. Okay? So meron tayong m, the slope is negative 2 over 5. So yan yung gagamitin natin na slope. Okay? So in this case, pwede natin gamitin no na A is positive 2 tsaka yung B is negative 5, no? Or pwede ang A is negative 2 tsaka yung B is negative 5. So ito yung B over A natin. So yung equations ng line natin, sorry, sorry, baliktad, no? Tama nga pala. Okay, B over A pala, no? So, yung B pala natin is 2, yung A is negative 5, or pwede rin, ito yung nasa taas, yung negative 2. So, that means negative yung B, tsaka yung A is negative 5. Okay, nagkamali lang ako. Okay, so, isa-solve muna natin yung K. So, since B is positive, so in this case, positive yung gagamitin natin. So, meron tayong 1 over and the square root of b square is 4 plus square ng negative 5 that is 25. Okay? Positive 25 plus 25. So meron tayong k na 1 over square root of 29 and that is hindi na natin kaya simplify ano kasi add yung kuan. So let's solve the kuan no, equation. So we have ano ngayon x sub o x equals walang control z dito. So x equals xo plus k AT kasi standard yung hinahanap natin no standard. So y equals y sub o plus b kbt. Okay? So in this case, meron tayong x equals ang x sub o natin is itong 4. So itong 4 ang x sub o natin, no? So meron tayong 4 plus yung k natin is 1 over square root of 29. Okay? Tapos yung B natin, so ito yung K, yung B natin is 2, no? So meron tayong plus 2, A pala, sorry. So ang A natin is negative 5, so minus na pala ito. Okay? So minus 5 over square root ng 29 times T. 29. Ganyan. Then y equals yung yung y sub o is negative 2. Okay? So, meron tayong negative 2. Tapos, yung a natin, sorry, yung b pala, okay. Negative 2, tsaka yung b is positive 2. So, positive 2 over square root ng 29t. Okay? So, tama ba ako? Check na muna natin. Yung a na lagay ko na lang muna dito yung a is negative 5 para hindi ako okay, negative 5. So yung a, so y is 4, x equals 4, tapos plus k, yung a is negative 5. Okay, sakto na. So ito na yung final answer natin para sa example number 2. Thank you everyone. So that ends the topic about parametric equations of a line. So see you on the next topic.